Hello everybody, I'm Lego Separator and yeah, here we have the fishing store at the moment under construction. It's still got quite a lot of tiles to put over here and pieces lying around over here, but it's going on well. Ain't doing much apart from slowly constructing this old thing. Do we have all the minifigures over here? We have the little boy, the old fishman guy, this lady over here, and we are missing the old fisherman, who seems to be missing his hat. Need to find that sometime. Or we can always give him a wig. How does that look? Brent, where are you? Up here. What? Why are you up there? I'm hiding from the lobster. What lobster? Huh? Ah! Oh, okay, this side looks good. Um.